Good PM. Today is December 23, 2023 Saturday, and here are the 3 PM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 23, 2023 Saturday. Here are the SL Square 3 PM result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Saturday, December 23, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, December 23, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.